This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Kim Wade. So much house for the price. Features include 3-bed/2.5 bath west/moderate updates, detached 2-car garage that is accessible from front/back, and so much more. Plumbing did not hold positive air pressure and seller will make no repairs. Seller has no knowledge of overall condition and request cash, renovation or in-house financing for offers. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim Wade at 304-776-7653.